Hello and welcome to Supervisor. If you're just getting started with the software, then here's a few handy tips to get you up and running. First of all, we want our data to be in a supported file format such as CSV or the datamine.dm format. And essentially we just want named columns of either assay or domain data for our groupings. To load the data into Supervisor, there are a few menus we can use to navigate to the data, or if you have it handy, then we can simply drag and drop it into the project tree. Once it's in the project tree, there's only two things that we need to look at in order to actually get started with the analysis. First of all, we ensure that the various columns are mapped to the appropriate type. So I have my spatial data assigned to the spatial coordinates. I have my borehole ID assigned to drill hole, and I have my various assays as assay, and finally my domain grouping column mapped to domain. The second thing we need to think about is the order that we want it to load into the tree, which we can control through either the grouping menu or the grouping table at the bottom. For this example, I'll just use the default and load the data. As you can see, we now have the assays in the project tree with the domain grouping beneath them and a few handy basic plots to get you started.